Didn't think I was be here so soon with another wine fridge, but I am. Hi, it's Vivian the Somm Next Door, and today we're doing another unboxing with the NewAir 24 bottle French door dual wine fridge. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and let's open this baby up. I should be getting really good at this, right? Oops. Ta-da! Ooh, I just shocked myself. I feel like as much as I like having this on my rolly thing, I think I need to take it down. Okay. NBD. Down. Ooh. That was horrible technique. That's probably really bad for your back. Do not do that at home. Let's get a closer look. Ooh, I see that anything with handles that stick out, we're gonna have to do it ourselves. Wow, these doors go all the way back. We've got some instructions here and the two door handles. Ooh, they gave us screws this time. If you guys haven't watched my California wine video, I also had to put on the door handles on that one. Again, a little bit more effort. And I think it's like pretty self-explanatory that you're just gonna screw these, but let me read and just make sure, because you know, like IKEA furniture, when you go rogue, sometimes it bites you in the butt. I can't actually find any instructions on how to put the handles on. I think they're literally like, hey, just screw it in. So let's try that. And if I can do it, you guys, anyone can do it, because I'm not the handy one. Oh, how do you do this? Is it hidden? Okay, yes. It's hidden behind the door. I was able to get this one through. You can kind of see it really, really close. Like this one was not that bad, but I'm telling you that other one was not easy. Don't have patience for this. We're almost there. That door handle was a little bit easier than this side. I don't know why. It's really hard for me to thread this. All right, it is, let's see how long this is going to take me. This is 12:45, and I'm going to try to put on this other door handle, and I'll be back. All right, I'm kind of embarrassed. That took me 4 minutes. As soon as I turned it off, I was able to thread, like it was threading this top screw, which was giving me so much trouble. Okay, so finally have my handles. It wasn't that bad. I'm just being a drama queen. It is very snug to get my finger, like I can't, like my fingers get kind of stuck trying to open this. I wish like the handles were slightly more this way, because you can't even stick your finger in between, like they get caught. Compared to the other wine fridges, this cord is pretty short. So, I mean, not that like most people will have this really far away from a wall or whatever. The other ones were, I know for a fact, much longer, because I was able to reach them to the wall ports, and this one I can't, so that's why I have an extension cord. Let's turn this baby on. And I actually think, you know how for the California, it was like, oh, one side should be white and another side should be red. I think these are interchangeable, which is nice. Unlock the panel by pressing this button with the little cogs for 2 seconds. A beep will alert you that the panel has been unlocked. Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna make this side, let's make this 50. So let's do this side too. So 1, 2. Let's make this like 60. All right, and unlike the California, which was like one of my complaints, is like this actually tells you like what temperature the fridge is at. So This right now says 69 and it started at 70 degrees. So I like that feature. We do have wire racks in here. These racks you can take out and there's a lot of space, plus this bottom space down here, which is good for champagnes or just bigger bottles. We're gonna let this chill out, get to temperature. Then I'm going to see if 24 bottles can fit in here. I'm pretty confident. I think unlike the wine enthusiast, 24 in this space. Now that I'm getting better, since this is my 4th wine fridge, I'm getting better at like kind of feeling, oh, is this spacious? Is this gonna be really tight? I think this was gonna be pretty spacious and that 24 bottles will comfortably fit. Our temperatures are set, 50 and 60. So we are going to put in 24 bottles into here. And I do have long Riesling bottles and also just very random size, like big bottles in case you, I don't know, have weird size bottles. Don't ask. My dad bought this at Trader Joe's or something. It's like a peach Moscato and he didn't like it, so I emptied it, but I think it's a good bottle for demonstration to make sure and really test this out. But we do have bigger bottles compared to a Bordeaux. So actual Bordeaux bottle, as you can see, this one is much taller in size. Similarly, we have fatter squatter bottles compared to the Bordeaux standard. I really need to buy more wine since now I have tripled my capacity of how much I can hold. So that's exciting. So technically, right, it should be 12 and 12. Right? Right. Okay. All right. And maybe because it's 2 and 2, lots of space. No issue so far. Oh, this is the piece of cake compared to some of the other ones I've done. So spacious. Wow. So easy. All right. What if we had a really fat one? No. That was rejected. But fatter bottles are fitting in, going in very smoothly. This one we'll see. Okay. All right. So I would say yes, these fat ones are probably gonna have to go down here. Oh, but I don't know if we can do 2 fat ones. Oh, it's not very happy down here. Let's test a Riesling bottle actually up here. Okay. And I have a bottle that's already open. Let's see if we can. All right, it's not pretty down here, as you can see, but we could get these in. And it can close. There we go. Let's go to this side. Just put these babies in. I will say of all the wine fridges, this is probably the easiest one. Literally, don't even think about it. Just plopping them in. Wow. And then I'm gonna put my fat open one on the bottom. Maybe I'll stick a Riesling down here. The Riesling can fit down here as well. So there we go. Wow. So I'm pleasantly surprised at how easy that was. That was so easy. The only thing I noticed is that you could probably fit max 2 champagne bottles in here because you can't fit down here. You can't fit 4 champagne bottles. Now that I think about it, you could probably lower this down. You can lower this lower shelf down. There's another rivet, but then that might hinder your ability to put more bottles down here. But no, this was probably the easiest task of putting it in. Super spacious between the racks. Did not feel like I was shoving it in or really fighting. It was really, really smooth. I did that so quickly. This NewAir fridge, it looks really pretty. Okay, everybody, I'm back. It's been a week or so with my NewAir French door 24 bottle compressor. And I want to give you my final thoughts on the wine fridge. I really feel like I'm becoming a connoisseur of wine fridges, don't you? After really letting it sink in and looking at all my other wine fridges, I am actually shocked that this might be the biggest wine fridge, size wise. This says it's for 24 bottles, and there's a reason why those bottles just fit in so smoothly. I was just like, wow, I'm not fighting with the wire racks or trying to really figure out where the bottles go. They just fit because NewAir was like, hey, bottles are big and different in sizes, and we're gonna make sure that all of them fit in here. So thank you so much, NewAir, because how is 24 bottles, and then the Wine Enthusiast, which is around the same size, it's 36 bottles. How does 12 bottles just magically fit in the same capacity, right? They all have to be the small Bordeaux bottles, which is just false advertising in my humble opinion. So I'm really happy with how easily these bottles went in. We don't have to worry. Riesling bottles, big California bottles, champagne bottles, or whatever. Unlike the Califor, I really like that it will actually tell you the temperature within. It's been so consistent compared to my Wine Enthusiast. I see the fluctuations, but this fridge, maybe because they say it's very tightly sealed, there's very little fluctuation once you set the temperature, which really big plus. I do like that. I will say the hum is a little bit, just a smidge louder than my other fridges. But again, I have mine exposed, and if I put it against the wall, I feel like that would kind of lighten the sound. The thing that I really am not a fan about is just these handles. I really think design wise, if they were just even a couple centimeters apart, it would just make it just easier to open. Look wise, so nice. So if this looks like a wine fridge for you, go down below for my link and my discount for this NewAir 24 bottle French door compressor. Cheers, you guys. I'll catch you guys later.